Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start at Settings. This is where the automatic emergency call lives. Open Settings, then go straight to Emergency or Safety and Emergency. Do this now. You're checking because models differ. Some call immediately, others run a 3-second countdown. Once you find the option, read each toggle label before changing it. You want to stop automatic dialing without disabling useful features. Make sure you know whether the side buttons or lock screen trigger the call so you can target the correct control. Now turn off the auto call control you found. Toggle auto call or call with side button to off. On some phones, choose call with hold and set it to require confirmation rather than immediate dialing. If there's a countdown option, extend it or require touch to confirm. This prevents accidental calls in a pocket. Also disable any lock screen emergency shortcut if it triggers calls. Once done, these changes stop the phone from placing calls without a clear, intentional action from you. Finish by testing the phone's response with a dry run. Simulate the button sequence, but cancel before a call connects. If the device still attempts to dial, reboot and check settings again. Some changes require a restart. Make sure OS updates didn't revert preferences. Once updated, reapply your toggles. If accidental calls continue, reset only the safety or emergency settings or contact the manufacturer. They can guide you through a deeper reset or known device-specific fixes. Troubleshooting tip: record the exact sequence that triggers the call for support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.